welcome to the Phonics Channel with me, Mr. Tom, and this is the home of phonics where we help adult learners with their speaking, communication and pronunciation skills. Okay, so let's dive into today's lesson, which is kind of like part 6 of the OO sound. Okay, so here we have, in today's lesson, we've got O and O together in words can make the OO sound. OO, 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 OO. Okay, can make the OO sound. Okay, so let's put this OO sound into some words. And the first word is food. 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 I want to eat some food. Could be your sentence. Food. 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 Okay, next one we have is spoon. 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 I will eat my food, my cereal, with a spoon. Here we've got two adjacent consonant letters and sounds, so we need to say them quickly together to make a sp sound. Spoon. Spoon. Okay, super. So how many letters does it have? 5 letters and 4 sounds. Spoon. 4 sounds there. Spoon. Okay, so next one we have is school. School. Ooh, school. School. The H doesn't make the sound, it makes no sound. So the H makes no sound in this word, okay? No sound at all. School. So how many letters does school have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. How many sounds? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you've got 2 adjacent consonants here. We need to say them together quickly. School, with a silent H there. Okay, so let's say them all again together. Say it with me at home to practice, like always. Food. Food. Spoon. Spoon. And school. School. Okay, so let's go on to the next section of this lesson. Okay, so the next sound we will do using the same O spelling pattern. Here, as we know, it can make the OO sound, but it can also make the sound. Everybody say Okay, super. So let's put the sound into some words then. And the first one is buck. 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 I am reading my book. Could be a sentence there. Okay, obviously 4 letters there and 3 sounds. Buck. Super. So let's go on to our next word, which is wood. 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 The door is made of wood. Okay, it's made from wood. Okay, same as book, 4 letters, 3 sounds. Okay, wood. Wood. And finally, our last one is stud. Okay, stud. Stud. Okay, we've got 2 adjacent consonants here. We want to blend them quickly together. Stud. Stud. Okay, I am stood here. Okay, stud is past tense for stand. Stud. Okay, so there we have how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many sounds? Okay, 4 sounds. St, d. 4 sounds. Okay, you want to say the adjacent consonants quickly together to make a st sound as well for this one. Okay, so now let's go through them all again together. Say it with me, like always, to practice your communication skills. Okay, we've got Now next one, buck, buck. Next one, wood, wood. And stud, stud. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me today on the Phonics channel, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. So, thank you for watching. Please remember to leave a like on the video. Like the video, and remember to subscribe so you can see future videos. Subscribe. Also share it with your friends so they can improve their phonics as well. Share. And feel free to leave a comment on the video as well. Comment. Thank you very much.